This magnificent home is ideally situated in a prime Lake Oswego location, offering the perfect combination of luxury, comfort, and breathtaking mountain views. Perched up high, it's close to shopping, dining, entertainment, and parks. Head inside and discover an open and airy floor plan with natural light, refinished hardwood floors, a cozy gas fireplace, and beautiful craftsmanship. The kitchen is a chef's dream with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, ample cabinet space, and tile floors. Plus a pantry. Take in the expansive mountain vista view from your walkout terrace. The primary suite is a retreat within the home, perfect for unwinding. Savor your morning coffee or tea from your private balcony. The spa-inspired bath has a dual-sink vanity, a large shower, and a walk-in closet. You'll find smart home features for added convenience and security throughout. Take the stairs down to the first floor, where you'll find a spacious home office in this home of more than 4,000 square feet. Enjoy an amazing cinematic experience in the movie theater room. Down the hall, you'll find 3 more bedrooms, 2 of which connect to the beautiful sunroom with large windows. An ideal setting to relax and take in the mountain views. The serene backyard features a 9-zone watering system and a variety of apple and pear trees. The oversized 2-car garage includes a 220-volt car charger, custom-built dog wash, workshop, and an abundance of storage space. A fantastic opportunity in a prime Lake Oswego location. It's all here, ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.